in your bedroom though.
In the name of all things good. Damn, I like that. See, I did that. I did that.
Yeah. I'm just good at clothes.
You know what I mean? But look, right now though, we finna go to North Carolina, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Finna go out there and just cause trouble. You know what I mean? But look, stay tuned. We about to hit it on the road. Y'all can slide with us.
Hey,
how you doing?
I'm blessed. Who are you? What's your name?
White Pree.
My name is Love. It's a blessing to meet you. What's your name?
Des.
Can you tell us where we at right now?
You're on Melody.
Melody?
In the name of Jesus Christ, yep, you sure are.
Y'all know where that is?
So y'all know where that is? We don't know where we at.
It's like the hell got eyes.
I just know we're in South Carolina, you know what I mean?
And then she walked away.
Peace, baby. I'll see y'all later.
You have a good day.
Bless.
In the name of all things good. Damn, I like that. See, I did that. I did that.
I don't know what cameraman. I don't know what.
Look, it's a duck over there.
Yeah, it's a goose.
Oh, goose.
A goose?
It's a real big ass
Goose.
Oh. Oh, Aflac out there.
That's a real Affleck.
That's an Aflac.
Brother, that shit real?
Yeah, you see shit breathing and moving.
I take my name to for work, camera and out.
Zoom in, man. Zoom in.
Right now, we in South Carolina. You know what I'm saying? We just stopped at the last place the baby shot his music video. See the house right there?
Zoom it on that bitch.
Yeah, for real. Wait, the baby from South Carolina? The baby from South Carolina or North Carolina?
He's somewhere. Mom's right here, and we right here.
She named Love. She named Love.
Ignorance, just
I'm
ignorance.
tired of this shit.
Seems like that's what it is.
Try to fire and we can't find the beaks to it. But yeah. What's that second? Yeah, the baby. So.
29841.
But oh dear man, you know, like, comment, subscribe.
Don't put on the blood.
Yo, killer. Watch your man wear glasses. Killer wear glasses in a vest. This way the watch the killer go. Oh, to the killer. Killer, cripple to more book clot.
Your blood clot, papa.
So I get mom. Let me see there.
You know, so it's just been already. I'm not telling you, you're already shot. Man, and you we are here, man.
So yeah. Right now we at some college campus. I don't even know. I think Atkins, South Carolina University of Atkins, South Carolina. But yeah, man, look, swimming lessons going on right now. But yeah, we just out here though. We just out here vibing.
We're outside.
Here, so. We have things over here, so. Inside, though, we can. What the fuck is going in there for? Go to the pool side, but to figure out what's in there, maybe run into some holes. Chlorine, nigga. Straight chlorine. Chlorine.
Hey, what y'all doing?
Pink party over there.
It's a pink party?
Yeah, it's like a bunch of powder paint. Come on.
Funny camera,
If you want. Like, you don't gotta.
We go get one?
One of them shots together with all the tonight. But, Jules is we gonna keep it PG-13.
We should have asked them if we can fall inside of them.
We can come back with a drum with y'all?
We get that pass.
Yeah.
Being party.
We'll see my boss and bugger fucking same color. He said, don't worry, it comes off.
High school.
High school? What the fuck? What are we doing here?
College.
Bro, this says high school, my boy. Why are we here? Again. Why are we here? It's a motherfucking college, nigga. Something smell good? Bro, These are jits, yo. Oh my god.
Oh, so this the army one?
I'm strong.
I'm just in the army after school.
What's your name?
Nigga, I'm recording, man.
DC?
We better go inside. We have to go inside.
We don't know. We really don't know that one.
Tour.
Y'all got used to it.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Me and White Pree.
That's it.
DJ Danger.
It'd be nice. It'd be nice if we get the tour. I mean, after you get the food, though.
Oh, I'm
I
going all
wanna
the way to
like.
Chick-fil-A, so that's gonna take like, yeah.
We calling you up?
No? I mean, it don't cost you 10.
It'd be mine. That's good.
Yeah, just a little quick tour.
Like, tour, you want to tour this school?
Yeah, what?
We just,
Is it
we
bad?
literally just drove here, like.
You say yeah?
Yeah.
You gotta look it up. What's the YouTube?
No, just type it in my notes app, and then I'll subscribe.
That's the name right there.
What?
That's the name right there.
Okay.
What you like? What you like?
You know why I'm laughing. You don't know why I'm laughing? So why you laughing?
Have fun, guys.
So yes? No?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys going inside? Oh, man.
Where they going?
They'll give you a tour.
That's all I was about to see, but
But-
they
but-
had it there.
You said after they left. So you're not gonna give us a little.
Yeah, real quick. You're not holding
But this is not like this is not a good
Dang, why you?
You can show us around, like, okay,
Yeah,
like,
I mean, like,
boom,
you
this
say
is the
that.
main hall, you know what I'm
You were
saying?
going here, though.
This is the gymnasium.
I'm going here. I'm going here. Yeah, I wish I wasn't. But I mean, I can, but like, this is a boring campus.
What's the point about it?
Huh?
What's the point about it?
Like, it's not like an HBCU. It's like, it's boring.
I don't even know what to say.
Swimming in them things, that hockey in the kind of
hockey.
things, you know what I'm saying?
That's boring.
Hockey and swimming.
Hockey and swimming and those stuff.
I got no basketball.
Y'all got basketball and football and stuff like that.
Yeah, the basketball team is in the SAC.
In the what?
They're in the cafeteria.
Hey, you gotta bring us there.
Please bring us to one.
At least.
Right, yeah, we double salt.
Okay, I'll jump on.
Okay,
Make sure y'all tap in with Pink.
Yeah, we gonna put her IG and you wanna shout out on IG?
IG.
Shout out my IG.
Yeah.
No, I'm good. I mean, my IG not like, I don't really
They might lay off.
You
You never know, man. Somebody might follow you on there.
Thanks.
Okay. Uncle ladies first.
Nah, that's her pass. She's her pass kid.
You would have never been done this without you.
Hey, sweetie. Hola.
Wow.
Robert, you look at your video.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, yo. Hey, yo.
Here. You taking off a route? But she said it's okay. For now, right?
For now, I mean, yeah.
For now.
Alright, so what's this?
Student Activity Center. Show.
Right. This is exclusive.
How you doing today, boss?
Cheers to you, boys.
It's locked. ID? Here's squad ID. Use squad ID. Sorry.
Y'all got more paddles?
Or if y'all did, y'all should have like came here.
Interview him. What's up? What's up? Come on. Come on down. Come on down. We got a man contestant. Come on down.
Alright. What's going on, man? What? Good. Your wife, chilling. What's your name?
Mel.
Mel. Alright, so tell me a little bit about the college. What's going on?
It's a little small college, like a little family environment. Real small.
I mean, I know the activities center, but like, what y'all really hang out with, get food.
Oh yeah, mostly like food, main attraction. Got a little gym in there. We have a little hoop sessions. Like this little time to chill out.
Alright, so what you do on like a daily? What's your daily like, from the college?
We go to class, and then I got basketball practice.
What's your team?
Shoot guard.
How many points you drop?
Cat 12.
Cat.
What you say your average is a game?
I said my average game probably about like 8. I say like 8.
That's like shooting outside, right?
Yeah, shooting outside.
I believe it.
Yeah, we just came to Florida. We just trying
What's up? Oh yeah. I'll catch y'all boys, bro.
Be safe.
Check YouTube.
What do you think?
Friendly
That's very serious.
Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yeah, okay. Pretty much. I just went against them and now.
You?
I was the winner and I just lost against her. So
But she the queen. So she kind of takes the spot over her. She did.
what did you say?
Oh, she got her though. She got her though.
Distracted.
I'm just staying. Well, don't.
You get serious.
This is an intense match.
Calm, collected, sportsmanship.
How long you been?
4 months. 4 months. I like to say the campus is fun. A lot of outside activities. We got an interview.
Hello. How y'all doing?
Get free food.
Free food, man, like.
Oh, okay.
See, it ain't nothing better than free on campus.
I ain't free stuff on this campus, y'all.
In the sport, it's friendly competition. Oh, yeah. Like the water fest, volleyball, ping pong, it's good.
So y'all got
They do. They actually have a tournament coming up. I just don't know the date exactly. Sometime in November. 10-8. Well, 101. They're trying to get him to go. She's on the first one. She's the best one out.
money for walk on.
Yeah, let's walk.
Get some free food.
You got no ID. You don't want free food.
What's the name of y'all college? What's the name of y'all college? Huh? Alright. So we at What's it? UCLA.
This
UCLA.
yo.
Oh, no, UCA. UCA. Hold on. Bro, I got to sketch it out, bro.
I could go in there and get some food.
You have to pay for it now.
I gotta pay. How much?
It's like
Pay what? We going anywhere? Pay what? We going away?
No. You got paid $8.
This line can't call Magical Galleria or something.
Yo, I'm fucking dead. Why are you guys like this?
Y'all cold? Know you like y'all cold? Come on, come get on YouTube. Come on.
These cards remind me of Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah, it's like Yu-Gi-Oh kind of, but instead of playing like one kind of card per turn, you have to pay for it with mana or money. That's how you pay for your spells. Magic the Gathering Arena is really good if you're that's why I got into it. And these too.
I mean, if you can play Yu-Gi-Oh, you can play this. They're very similar.
Yeah, that's how they say the cards remind me.
What's that?
Oh, this is like Stranger Things. You ever watch Stranger Things?
I ain't gonna say that. I think we're gonna play something like that too. I think he'll play something like that.
What's up,
Hey yo. How you did that, man? You thought she was sweet.
My name Pree.
Yo, what's up? What you going to see?
My name go part that side.
He said no. How you going?
What's the next tour spot? Like that? Okay. I see you. Orangeburg. How far that is? What's that? North or south?
No, I just said. Practicing, bro. I go to Ron Jungle. What?
You keep saying the same word. We don't know what it
it's
is.
like an hour up in South Carolina, yeah.
Orangeburg. That shit up.
I go walk. I'm good. Yeah, I'm in North Carolina, South Carolina.
Go to Orangeburg.
That shit about an hour a week.
What you mind? Yo.
Driver man.
What's over there?
With all the people.
We don't know. We just look up.
I'm sitting here. Oh, y'all trying to go to college?
I went to college.
Oh, nah, we literally driving to the top. Yeah, we stopped. And we're like, let's stop at the college.
That's what's up, yo. What's y'all YouTube?
White Pree. White Pree. Is that shit the best? Like,
You know what?
Cameraman, you not even there, bro.
What do you mean? You
Get
can't
out of my
Instagram.
face.
You get the fuck out of
What's up?
Subscribing.
How you doing? You work here? You live here? You got a house? You don't live on campus? Huh? What you saying, Wanda?
I don't go to school today.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what y'all doing? That's what I'm saying. You should start my YouTube channel.
My bad.
No, we're not buying it. I'm just over here. You know. Film it up. Yeah. My giant shit. Hydrate yourself.
Hydration.
Hydrate yourself. My
Stay
giant
hydrated,
shit.
boy.
Alright, so y'all have a good night.
Y'all too.
Bless.
Go to South Carolina State.
South Carolina.
That's where y'all go. That's where y'all go. Everything.
Action down there every day.
What? What's down there?
Action.
Action.
You know what that means. You know that.
Emotion, dude.
So wait, where can we go from right here?
Yeah.
What's the latest spot?
What's the next move?
No, like
get out
on this spot. Like, where else can we go?
Oh, see, I'm not from around here, so I
Come
can't
on,
say.
why everybody say that? And they say,
On campus, everything's really slow right now because it's nighttime.
I mean, I think
No more.
You know what I'm saying? It's a Monday night. If y'all ain't got nothing to do, I don't follow us.
say less. Say less. Say less.
No, wait, no.
You do kind of look like a person, I ain't gonna lie.
You see how like it's like open the doors?
I don't know how to read it, but how y'all doing today?
Y'all look like y'all about to step out. Where y'all going?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Where y'all going?
Scorpio season.
Alright. Where's that? Y'all have fun?
No, friendly.
Yeah.
Chat to work, right?
Gotta be a real sport guy.
It's right now.
Yo, don't put the camera on.
Push it down later.
So right now, there's that people that doing this either. It cause some trouble.
Jesus
You know,
Christ.
this yelling, man, y'all know to stop.
Nah, seriously. Yo, what is? Not an exit. Alright, let's see, no? Trouble?
It's a little apartment.
Yeah, it's probably got bathroom and kitchen all in the same place.
Don't worry, we'll go back.
Oh, lounge.
I ain't talking to you. Room inspection.
Oh, all right.
Not fun.
Room inspection.
Your friend married with you in a whole different state.
On 7:30.
Yo, what floor are we on?
Who did?
What you doing? What?
I'll take it.
Let's see. Can we see? Can we view it? Can we view it?
Let me see.
Let me see.
I'll take it from
Let
you.
me see what you say you didn't order.
If you don't want it, I'll take it.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna review it right now. What's wrong with it?
Nothing wrong with it. I just didn't know where it came from.
Hey,
Secret of
I
mine.
see you got some drill. Drill. What's your name?
Hey, your name?
Kia.
Kia.
How you doing tonight?
I'm good. How are y'all?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. So look, I'm glad I catch you at this time, right? Because we was just doing some room inspections, you know what I mean? And we trying to see if you done took out your trash, make sure your bathroom and kitchen clean.
Take out my trash.
Did you clean your bedroom though?
No, not yet, because I'm doing homework right now. Yeah.
Or did you vacuum the carpets?
No, because I sprinkled some stuff on it, so it take 15 minutes. I ain't did nothing yet, because I'm trying to finish my homework first.
Got it. So, homework first and then you do your clean.
Yeah.
All right, I like that. What you studying?
Early childhood.
Early childhood. Okay. Are you gonna be a mom early childhood or?
Yeah, little children.
You about to get, you already have one?
Oh, no. I don't have
I'm about to say. Alright. Appreciate it. Have a good night.
Yeah, little children.
That's annoying. You know, babies are annoying. Little babies?
So,
For real.
I have more patience with little children than adults.
Right.
So I rather work with little children.
Alright.
That's good.
You know what I'm saying? You have a good night. You want to say anything on my YouTube channel?
No, I'm kind of my bonnet, but y'all have a good night. Sure, I can do that. What's your YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the name?
White Pree.
What it up? Chop.
Room inspection. Hi, how you doing tonight?
Good.
What's your name?
Why?
Because we're doing the room inspection. I just want to make sure you got your room clean, your trash taken out, your bathroom,
Did you clean carpet?
carpet.
I'm just good at clothes.
So I'm gonna take that as a no. I'm gonna write it down. Room 410. All right.
So we do it.
It's gonna be an F. Haley.
That's stupid. This nigga said Haley.
I'm just gonna close the door.
That's a good footage, right? Oh God. Yeah, they did Pree. Well, like, who the fuck I got niggas?
Yeah, you know a room inspection.
We're getting closer to that bitch too.
Everybody in the room inspection.
Behind the room.
Yeah, 26 at 6 p.m. I did. What time it is?
What time? 8 o'clock.
7:30.
Come on, we're going to this.
Bedtime, you know.
Make sure we don't need no card to open the door. When it's closed. I was trying to say.
Oh, there's no.
But we don't pay you to think. We try to get like a thing to do.
No cap. Now what the fuck is this?